या तो आपको एक दिन पहले बड़ा होगा ना, कोई हिसाब लाओ ना।
काफी जम्बू उमाशुतम स्वाविनाशकार्यकं नमामि वेङ्कटनाथपङ्कजं नमामि वेङ्कटनाथपङ्कजं त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव बन्धुः च सखा त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वराय गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः कर्कोटकस्य नागस्य दमयनस्य राजस्य कीर्तनं कलिनाशनं कीर्तनं कलिनाशनम् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्।
Now let me extend my warm and hearty welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Honorable Board of Directors.
मैं माननीय अतिथि महोदय श्रीमान गोपेश जी भाटी आरटीओ इंस्पेक्टर का सादर अभिनंदन।
Now I would like to request our director sir and ma'am to present a token of regard to our guest of honor.
मार्गदर्शन से आगे जिसमें 30,000 बच्चे शिक्षा प्राप्त कर रहे हैं। आप स्कूल के संस्थापक एवं भारत विकास परिषद की अध्यक्षा भी हैं। आज BR बिरला का ध्वज में हवा में लहराता हुआ आशाओं और आकांक्षाओं को दर्शाता है। यह BR बिरला ग्रुप ऑफ स्कूल के गर्व का प्रतीक है। ध्वज सभ्यता, संस्कृति, बहुरंगी विविधता एवं श्रद्धा सिखाता है कि परिस्थितियां कैसी भी हो झुकना नहीं है। आंधी तूफान में सर उठाकर सदा खड़ा रहना है। हमेशा अपने ध्वज को सम्मान करना चाहिए।
Thank you so much everyone. May our flag keep soaring high and keep on prospering to great heights.
स्वीकार आमंत्रण किया, रखा हमारा मान, कैसे प्रकट करे कृतज्ञता, स्वागत है श्रीमान।
I'm your host Palak and my co-host is
निकिता।
We are all here to appreciate and encourage the spirit of sportsmanship and excellence displayed by our talented staff. So fasten your seatbelts and get ready for a day filled with memorable and thrilling performance.
silent. Come for the storm. Go.
Now we will start the event with an inspiring oath-taking ceremony. I request all the athletes to stand at their respective places and take pledge to maintain fair play, respect, integrity and
to play the game in the highest forms and standards of discipline and sportsmanship. No matter if I win or lose, what counts most is how I conduct myself and play my game in the spirit of belongingness, peace, and community enjoyment.
Thank you everyone. I request all the students and all gatherers. I request Mrs. Archana Billa ma'am to light the torch. Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can do that. Light symbolizes power, strength and hope. Himanshu passes the torch to Chain Singh, which is again passed on to Vishwajit Singh. And again it is passed on to Divyanshu. The chance of getting the Olympic torch goes to Karan Singh. And it is passed on to Rehan Khan. Now the chance of getting the torch goes to Krishnapal Singh Rathod. And finally, the torch goes to Harshita Chauhan.
Take to the sky, chasing the stars. Open your eyes, watching afar, waiting.
The torch is finally handed over to a PTI teacher to keep the torch in its place. The flame of peace and harmony is now
Way of saying that this day, this moment and this celebration is much as yours as it's ours. Get ready to witness and
Swagatam, swagatam, Saason ki sardam gaye swagatam. शुभ स्वागतम शुभ स्वागतम शुभ स्वागतम सासों की सरगम गाए सुस्वागतम
Wow, that was a mesmerizing performance. Let's give them a big hand.
Now, the tiny snails of Via Villa are ready to explore their talents. Please give them a big hand.
As they have arrived, the magic mummies and daddies, please cheer up for your little kids.
Daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark.
Let's clap and encourage them to perform the dance.
Grandma shark, do 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 do. Grandma shark, do 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 do. Grandma shark.
Grandpa shark, do 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 do. Grandpa shark, do 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 do. Grandpa shark, do 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 do. Grandpa shark.
Let's go hunt, do 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 do.
Let's go hunt, do 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 do. Let's go hunt, do 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 do. Let's go hunt.
Run away, do 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 do. Run away, do 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 do. Run away, do 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 do. Run away. Safe at last, do 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 do. Safe at last, do 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 do. Safe at last, do 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 do. Safe at last. It's the end, do 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 do. It's the end, do 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 do. It's the end, do 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 do. It's the end. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark.
That was an amazing performance. Let's give them a big hand.
I like to move and move it. I like to move and move it. I like to move and move it. We like to move it. I like to move and move it. She like to move and move it. He like to move and move it. We like to keep on jumping off the floor, dancing till your feet is sore. Party hard just like it's Mardi Gras, 'cause that's what life is for. And we don't party hardly, we just party hard. And not because we bored, we party 'cause we born apart. That's why I keep on, yes, that's why I keep on, yes, that's why I keep on doing what I'm doing, y'all. I like to move and move it. I like to move and move it. I like to move and move it. We like to move it. I like to move and move it. She like to move and move it. He like to move and move it. We like to move it. I like to party, party. He like to party, party. They like to party, party. We like to party. She like to shake it, shake it. She like to shake it, shake it. He like to shake it, yeah. Somebody say yeah. Say yeah, yeah. Back it up, 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 back it up. Back it up, 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 back it up. Give me room, give me room, give me room, cuz. We like to party, party. We like to party, party. We like to party, party. We like to party. We like to move it, move it. He like to move it, move it. They like to move it, move it, move it, move it, move it, move it, move it.
Wow, what an impressive performance by our tiny toad.
खुशियों पर मौज की रवानी रहेगी। कार्यक्रम में जिंदगी में कोई ना कोई कहानी रहेगी। हम यूं ही कार्यक्रम में चार चांद लगाते रहेंगे अगर आपकी तालियों की मेहरबानी रहेगी।
We can use umbrella as an amazing props in the drill, which are designed to work on foot and are helpful in developing skills for a medical of sports. So I would like to call the participants to exhibit their performance.
Let's cheer them with a huge round of applause.
इसको वहाँ पे।
एक किसी पिलर पे ले लो, नहीं दिख रहे हमारे बच्चे।
मतलब सिर्फ इधर वाला वो भी इतना मतलब जहाँ ये स्टार्ट हो रहा है एटलीस्ट वहाँ तक तो लो।
सेंट्रलाइज करिए ना सर।
है ना वायर बीच में लगा हुआ। और या फिर ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं कि आप इसको मूवेबल करके जाके वीडियो बनाए?
पास में जाके
बिल्कुल आप राउंड लेके सबको बनाए फिर, है ना पॉसिबल? ये कुछ ऐसे कंडीशन में
ले लो।
What an exhilarating performance. Let's give them a big hand.
सूर्य नमस्कार के नियमित अभ्यास से शारीरिक एवं मानसिक स्फूर्ति के साथ विचार शक्ति और स्मरण शक्ति तीव्र होती है।
Here comes our little energetic mind for performing Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar is a salutation to the sun. It's a sequence of 12 steps meant to warm up our body.
Let's clap for these tiny tots as they will showcase the yoga performance.
ओम आदित्यस्य नमस्कारेण ये कुर्वन्ति दिने दिने आयु प्रज्ञा बलवीर्यं तेजस्तेषां च जायते।
Om Mitraya Namaha.
What a splendid performance. Let's give them a big hand.
Balloon, balloon, colorful balloons, red, blue and orange, round balloons. Hold them and go with the flow.
So here's presenting the balloon race.
अब सही है रेस आ रहा है
आओ आज खुशियों को हराते हैं, चलो आज दिन भर मुस्कुराते हैं। खेलने कूदने का लो संकल्प, स्वस्थ रहने का यही है मंत्र।
पूरा ताला ले
So the little kids are ready for the balloon race on the tracks and the race begins. Come on, you can do it. And the kids running to the finish line. Determination for everyone to come first. And the two are going in the sequence, and we have the first and second and the third winner. Well done, superbly done by these little kids. Let's give a big hand for the winners. Group B is ready on the track. The balloon race. White balloon in their hands. Let's cheer them up. Let's cheer them up with a thunderous round of applause. And the race begins. Run, run, come on, make it to the finish line. Come on, run a little faster. These tiny tots have reached the finish line. So we have the winners for Group A and Group B. Congratulations and well done. All participants showed excellent performance.
मगर रस टपकाती हूँ, फीकी सी जिंदगी में मिठास भर जाती हूँ। देखो आई जलेबी रानी, कूद कूद कर चखने की बारी।
So here's presenting jalebi race.
The kid who will eat the jalebi first will be the winner.
So we have the kids of Group A on the track, ready to eat the sweet jalebis. So they are lined on their respective tracks and the jalebis are waiting for them. So the rule is the kids have to eat the jalebis with the mouth. The hands will be at the back, they should not use their hands. So we'll see who eats the jalebi as quickly as possible. And the race begins. Come on kids. The jalebis are very sweet, eat it as fast. No touching of hands, come on. And the kids have eaten it and they have run to the finish line. Next up, Group B. The jalebis are lined up by the coaches. These tiny tots are eagerly waiting to run. On your marks, ready to go. And it starts. Come on, runners. Eat the jalebis with your hands at the back. No touching of the hands.
Watch a butterfly and in shorter while, it will give you a butterfly smile. Next race for the day is butterfly race.
As these colorful butterflies are ready, they have assembled in the line and waiting to fly just like a butterfly. With exhilaration and enthusiasm as the blooming birds of Snailtail are ready to explore their talents. Now at your side is the butterfly race. The tables are aligned with juices. The cakes have to run and drink the juicy and again move to the end point. The dustbins are aligned, they have to eat the jalebis and put in the respective dustbins kept at their tracked positions. Mummies and daddies, please cheer up. I can't hear any clap from your side. Let's cheer them up. As you clap, encourage them and perform the best. Looks like our participants are ready to go. Eagerly waiting to start. On your marks, go. So come on. The table has the juicy, drink the juicy. Look. Sit on the chair. Drink it. Come on, make it so, make it. You can do it, come on. The Snailtail kids are well trained. And the dustbins, he put it in the dustbin and again move to the end point. You have to go to the finish line, and we have the first winner, second and third. Excellently done. The participants are full of enthusiasm. Group B is assembling on the track of the butterfly race. The teachers are making them ready. The colorful wings tied on it. All fresh, happy and excited. The race begins. Yes, you can do it. Come on. The juices are kept on the table. Come on, take it. Sit on your respective chair. school. Congratulations to you beautiful kids.
अब हमारे बच्चे भी नहीं रहे नादान। देखो किस तरह कर रहे हैं माँ की परेशानी का समाधान।
Presenting the next day, ready to go to school.
So today, the kids are going to help their mamas to pack the school bag by themselves with their bags, notebooks, water bottles and the lunch box. The rule is they have to open the bag, pack all the things inside the bag and reach the finish line. The tracks are divided into 4 stations. On first station, we have the bags. On second, we have the tiffin box. And third station, we have the water bottles. And on fourth station, we have the notebooks. The kids have to pack their bags with all these things, close it and keep it on the respective tables. The kid who packs the bag first and reach the finish line will be the winner. So the coaches are arranging the things on the respective stations. We have the school bag, lunch boxes, pencil pouch and the water bottle. So the kids are eagerly waiting. They are ready to perform and it starts. Come on, take your bag kids, come on. The tiffin box, open it and keep it inside. The notebook, the pencil box and the water bottle. Himanshi cover, she is on the line, she is on the, come on you can do it. Pack your bag. You have to close it. If you don't close it, then it will be misplaced, right? And you have the first winner. Oh, come on. Misplaced. You have to come along with your school bag. And we have the first winner. Okay, misplaced. Just a small mistake. Now group B is waiting on the track. Even they are ready to go to school. The teachers are assembling the things on the respective stations.
अरे बाहर था धूप आ
The notebooks are aligned.
पवन तो बाजू काढ़ो हो जाएगा
कम ज्यादा इन मार
कट।
दौड़ने दो खुले मैदानों में नन्हे कदमों को जनाब, जिंदगी बहुत भगाती है बचपन गुजर जाने के बाद।
This race gives the students the chance to display the coordination skills. It improves their skills. These moving kids are ready to showcase their talents. Let's cheer them up with a huge round of applause. Ready in the positions? And it starts. Come on, kids, take out your bag.
every participant showed the extraordinary spirit. Kids really enjoyed this game.
Banda dito by say.
The pupils came out, their heads held high. Different color, excitement to come. All supported by their dads and moms. Pupils are strong, determined and fast. Here comes some parents waiting not the last.
हम भी नहीं है किसी से कम। माता पिता बताना चाह रहे हैं, देखो हम में कितना है दम।
So let's cheer up for the parents as they are ready for the race. Assembled on the tracks. We'll have the balloon and blow the balloon and burst race. They have to blow. One partner will blow the balloon and the other have to burst it. The couple which bursts the balloon first will be the winner. Ready? We have the balloons aligned on the respective tables. We have aligned it on 8 tracks. सबको भाषा होती है जब खेल में हम रखना तुम खुशियाँ होती है जब जीत में हम तुम जीत के करना प्रेम। किस तरह से पेरेंट्स जल्दी जल्दी बैलून छुड़ा के मैडम को बैलून फोड़ना है। कृपया जल्दी जल्दी बैलून फोड़। So the parents are showing great enthusiasm. So they have to blow the balloon, sit on it and burst it. The couple which blows the maximum number of balloons will be the winner. You have to blow it fully. Come on. So we have the first winner. Bhavya's parents, congratulations. Excellently done. So the parents are telling they are even more better than the kids. Congratulations to all the winners. Group B is waiting on the track. So the balloons are aligned. And the race starts. The parents are running with enthusiastic.
Competition for rank. Just more than a sport with many punches, you learn to defend yourself.
Let's cheer up for this kid with a big round of applause. So we have the karate performance lined up next.
try new ideas and techniques readily. Childhood is one of the best times to start on the path towards physical health and emotional balance. Studying karate offers kids the chance to develop both physically and emotionally. It teaches self-defense, builds confidence, and promotes healthy body and weight. So here are our young Karateans to show the importance of karate.
Bea.
मोरो तो है ही देखे हुआ पिछली बार जगदीश माने हालत खराब हो गई थी। कूद लेंस खोले नहीं
अरे
क्लोजअप ले क्लोजअप ले तू क्लोजअप ले ध्यान लागे और हमको दूर को ध्यान लागे
नहीं तो पकड़ है चल सही ऑटो सही लग आ रहे ना निकल जाएगा गेम खेला प्राइस दे गेम खेला प्राइस दे
डायलॉग फोटो
हाँ वैसा ना क्लोज भैया पीछे रो पे
The kids are going to break the tiles. The tiles are assembled with the guidance of the coaches. Tiles are assembled in 4 layers. So 4 participants will come in front and will break these 4 layered tiles. So we have the participants ready. As you can see, they have broken the tiles. Excellently done. And the second participant, even he has completed it. They have broken the tiles, 4 layer tiles in just one punch. Excellent. The next 4 participants are getting ready. Champions are not made in gems. Champions are made from something called deep inside, a desire, a dream, a wish. participants. All layer tiles. I request the audience to encourage them. Just clap and encourage them and cheer them up. And she has done it. Come on. Well done, Riti Jani. They have successfully showcased the importance of karate, how you can defend yourself even when you are in danger. सुबह में थोड़ा शोर होना चाहिए। दिखाने में तो हमारे बच्चों का बहुत हुनर है, मगर आपकी तालियों में थोड़ा शोर होना चाहिए। Kids are well trained with karate performance. They're just breaking the ties in just one punch. Let's give them a big hand for the excellent performance. teaches self-defense, a very important for every girl. And they have broken it. Excellent. Girls are equally competent to boys. Super performance by these young champs. As we come to the end of the performance, impressive displays. B.R. Birla Group of Schools has always provided its students with a healthy and fairly competitive environment to help them grow in every sphere of activities, be it academics, sports, or any other extracurricular activities. We have given equal opportunities to all our students to realize their true potential and get ready to face the outer world. Now, it's time to distribute the prizes to the students for academic excellence and 100% attendance. Congratulations are in order. We are so happy for you kids. I would request our esteemed chief guest, Mrs. Kunti Devi ma'am, to bless the winners with your blessing and award them the prizes. Please ma'am. So the first lined up is the Badwasia branch. From class PG, we have Ronak Bano, an excellent all-rounder, active in all extracurricular activities, 100% attendance. From class nursery, congratulations Ronak Bano. From class nursery, we have Nishika. Active participation. From class KG, we have Sulochna. From class prep, we have Ritik. From class 1, we have Jigyasa. From class 2, we have Ritik Yellow. From class 3, we have Bhavya Chauhan. From class 4, we have Bhumi Kabora. From class 5, we have Rehan Khan. Class 6, Deepak Nawal. Class 7, Nikita Kaur. Class 8, Farman Khan. Congratulations to the winners. Now we'll start the BJS branch. From class nursery, we have Pragnay Maheshwari, excellent in academics. Congratulations to all the winners. Now from BGS branch, from class nursery. From class nursery, we have Pragnay Maheshwari, excellent in academics, active in all extracurricular roles. From class KG, we have Anik Soni. From prep, she is Himanshi Kawar. From class 1, Harshvardhan. Class 2, Shahzad. Class 3, Krishnapal. Class 4, Ghazal Rathod. Class 5, Aryan. Class 8, we have Palak Rathod. And for 100% attendance, from class 4, we have Chen Singh and Tej Singh from class 5. Congratulations to all the winners. Thank you, ma'am, for blessing our students. Without further ado, now I would request our Honorable Chief Guest, the Mayor of Jodhpur North, to grace us with your insightful words and enlighten us with your wisdom. Please, ma'am.
BR बिरला स्कूल के इस एनुअल स्पोर्ट्स मीट में आज जो मुझे आमंत्रित किया गया, सबसे पहले तो मैं BR बिरला ग्रुप ऑफ स्कूल्स के डायरेक्टर और मैनेजमेंट और प्रिंसिपल और पूरे स्टाफ का बहुत बहुत आभार और धन्यवाद प्रकट करती हूँ। आज इस बदवासिया और BGS स्कूल ब्रांच का जो एनुअल स्पोर्ट्स मीट है और उसके साथ साथ कल्चरल इवेंट भी इसमें सम्मिलित किया गया, और जिस तरीके की एक्टिविटीज़ हमने यहाँ के बच्चों को करते हुए देखा और जिस तरीके की तैयारी पिछले 10 दिन से यहाँ के टीचर्स और इनके कोच इन्हें यहाँ करवा रहे हैं, वो बहुत ही काबिल तारीफ है। और सभी बच्चों ने जिस एंथुजियाज़म और जोश खरोश के साथ इसमें पार्टिसिपेट किया, उनको भी मैं बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं प्रेषित करती हूँ। और इसके साथ साथ यहाँ उपस्थित सभी अभिभावक, सभी पेरेंट्स जो यहाँ पधारे, उनका भी बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। और जिन पेरेंट्स ने भी इसमें अपना पार्टिसिपेशन दिखाया और पूरे जोश के साथ इसमें शामिल हुए, उनको भी मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद और आभार प्रकट करती हूँ। BR बिरला स्कूल पिछले 33 सालों से जो अपनी सेवाएं जोधपुर में दे रहे हैं और जिस तरीके का माहौल यहाँ के बच्चों को मिल रहा है, वो आप सब भली भांति उससे परिचित हैं। जिस तरीके का आधुनिक ये युग है जिसमें बच्चे को एक्सपोजर के साथ साथ वो अपनी संस्कृति को नहीं भूले, अपनी उन परंपराओं से भी जुड़ा रहे, जो आज के समय में बहुत ही आवश्यक है, ये निश्चित तौर पे स्कूल में दी जाती है। ये स्कूल जो लंबे समय से इसके डायरेक्टर्स इसमें विभिन्न प्रकार की एक्टिविटीज़ के साथ साथ बच्चों के सर्वांगीण विकास के लिए काम कर रहे हैं। और आप सभी अभिभावक बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से ये आपने देखा होगा कि किस तरीके से यहाँ के स्कूल का एनवायरनमेंट बच्चों में एक ऊर्जा लेकर आता है और बच्चों में एक ऐसी जागरूकता भी लेकर आता है जो आज के समय में उन्हें आगे बढ़ने की एक प्रेरणा देती है। मैं धन्यवाद देती हूँ पूरे BR बिरला ग्रुप ऑफ स्कूल्स के परिवार को, जिन्होंने पूरे जोधपुर शहर में इनकी 3 ब्रांचेज और इसके अलावा जो स्नेल टेल नाम से इनकी प्री प्राइमरी स्कूल्स हैं, जिस तरीके से ये संचालन इन स्कूलों का कर रहे हैं और जिस तरीके से इन स्कूल की निरंतर बढ़ोतरी हो रही है, निश्चित तौर पर आपका विश्वास ही इन लोगों की प्रेरणा है और ये इन्हें आप ही से प्रेरणा मिलती है आगे बढ़ने की। और जिस तरीके का माहौल बच्चों में वो पैदा कर रहे हैं, वो आज जिस तरीके से मैंने देखा कि हर एक स्पोर्ट्स में वो पूरी उमंग के साथ पार्टिसिपेशन उन्होंने किया और यहाँ के टीचर्स भी एक अभिभावक की तरह जो 6-8 घंटे उनके साथ रहते हैं और जिस तरीके से वो अपने एक स्टूडेंट्स को गाइड करना चाहिए उस तरीके से वो उन्हें गाइड कर रहे हैं। और आप लोगों ने जो इनमें विश्वास दिलाया है वो सबसे ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण है। मैं BR बिरला स्कूल के पूरे परिवार को बहुत बहुत बधाई और शुभकामनाएं देती हूं और ये उम्मीद करती हूं कि आने वाले समय में ये स्कूल निरंतर और प्रगति करेगा और हमारे यहाँ के बच्चे यहाँ से निकलकर अपने परिवार का, अपने समाज का, अपने क्षेत्र का, अपने स्कूल का नाम रोशन करेंगे और जिस किसी भी मुकाम पर हासिल करेंगे तो निश्चित तौर पे BR बिरला स्कूल का नाम रोशन होगा और इसके साथ साथ ही जोधपुर शहर का नाम रोशन होगा। मैं पुनः BR बिरला स्कूल के पूरे परिवार को बधाई देती हूँ और मुझे यहाँ आमंत्रित करके जो मान सम्मान दिया इसके लिए भी पूरे स्कूल परिवार का, पूरे मैनेजमेंट, प्रिंसिपल स्टाफ का मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देती हूँ और ये उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आने वाले समय में ये स्कूल और निरंतर तरक्की करेगा और यहाँ के बच्चे आगे बढ़कर अपना एक मुकाम हासिल करेंगे। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you, ma'am. We are really delighted to hear your words of appreciation. Now, I would request our director, sir, Mr. Siddharth Birla, sir, to present a memento to our guest of honor, Mrs. Kunti Devda, ma'am.
भैया ओ भैया
Thank you, ma'am, for coming and gracing our occasion. It means a lot. You have to open the cap first. Take the glass, empty it inside the water. Come on, you can do it, make it soon, come on. Full of energy and enthusiasm. Willpower to come first. There are 4 glasses are kept, only 1 is left, come on. Strong competition. Let's cheer up for these fierce winners. You have to take the bottle and run to the finish line. And we have the first winner, second winner and the third winner. Excellently done. Superb performance. Next up, we have again the finger bottle race of Group B. They are ready on the tracks. Ready coordination skills. The classes are being assembled on the stations. Let's get ready for the exciting event to start.
हमें जाए तो यार अरविंद हकीकत में यार कोई कॉमन सेंस नहीं थोड़ी बहुत ही यार
Ready on the position.
टाइमिंग देती भी नहीं सब बिल्कुल नहीं बहुत भाई देगा वो अबे 11:30 बजे तो मैंने फोन लगा
And it starts. Running as soon. Come on. Open the cam. The two have reached it and they are filling the bottle. Come on, RH, you are back. And the second class is being filled with water bottle. And we have the final class. Come on, close the cap, close the bottle and run to the finish line. All 4 classes should be completed. One class is remaining. You are not the winner, come on. And we have the first winner as Krishnapal, second Sahib, and third Jayavardhan. Congratulations, kids. Let's cheer for these winners.
A basket needs both my hands. A volleyball needs two, but no hands on the race because only fill will do. So yes, presenting 50-meter race.
Come on, make some noise as our participants deserve the loudest cheer and applause as they are getting ready for the beads race. The kids, a thread will be given. They have to put it inside the beads. The beads should be inside the thread and they have to run to the finish line. On your mark and start. The tables are aligned with beads and a thread. The students have to put all the beads inside the thread and with that in hand, they have to go to the finish line. Excellently done. This improves the coordination skills. And we have the first winner, second winner, and the third winner.